Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to export data from Dedoose. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, first step is to open up your Dedoose software on your machine. Then we've got the option here on the top left to export data. Once we click on that, we've got a few options so we can export codes. So we can export all codes in the current project to a document or a spreadsheet. We got export descriptors, export media, export excerpts, export memos, or export your whole project. So depending what you want to do, go ahead and choose the correct one that you would like to export data to. So say for example, I want to export my project. I want to click onto that. Then from there, we need to enter your details and select if you like to use the Dedoose project export. Please note QDAS exports have limitations such as rich documents become plain text, loss of descriptive data, data sets, etc. So you want to jot in your email address, confirm email, and then password to protect backup, and also confirm project. Then we got the option to choose a Dedoose project or a QDAS project. Then basically click on submit. And now this is going to vary from different type of data that you want to export. So say I want to do export codes, I want to go ahead and select the export format. So we got Excel, Word, or CSV, and then we can go ahead and click on submit.